So the first step is we're trying to get one of the variables by itself so we can substitute an equivalent expression into the other equation. So I chose 8c minus d equals -3. It's a train track problem. I first added d to both sides. You get 8c equals -3 plus d. And then I added 3 to both sides. Then I got 8c plus 3 equals d. And then if you look at our second equation, we can substitute this in for the value of d. We get 4c, we get 4c plus 5 times the quantity 8c plus 3 because that's equivalent. And then you get, you have to carry over the 15 over here. And then once you distribute, you get 4c plus 40c plus 15 equals 15. And then you can combine similar terms because, and then if you combine similar terms, you get 44c plus 15 equals 15. If you subtract 15 from both sides, you get 44c equals 0. And so the only possible value for c would be 0.
Because 44 times 0 is 0. All right. Now, so just, Catherine went through this very fast, right, Sawyer?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just want to verify what happened, because I had a hard time following because she went through this so fast. So, all right, why? Yeah, viewer discretion advised. All right, so why did she right here add d to both sides of the equation? Why did she do that? Why does that make sense if solving through substitution? Milana?
She wanted D and C to be on different sides.
She wanted D and C to be on different sides. Why did she want D and C on different sides? Sadie?
So she can get the value of one of them and substitute it in the second.
Oh, so she's trying to get D all by itself. She's solving for D. Okay. So then she added, so that's why she added 3 to get D by itself. So D is equal to this whole expression right here. So 8c plus 3 is equal to D.
Yes.
Okay. So then, in this monstrosity,
What does that say? Like 4?
I think this was a scratching out. Is that right? Okay. So this was nothing. Okay. So we have our 4c, and she got her 4c from right here, plus 5. The plus 5 happened right here. Instead of d, she wrote this expression. She took this expression and plugged it in for d. Because that does equal d. That's right. That's why she did that. Okay. So then 5 times 8c is 40c. That makes sense. 5 times whatever that is supposed to be. 5 times 3 is 15.
What's that number before the 3?
What's that number? This is a mistake.
Looks like an 8.
It's okay. We'll forgive you, Catherine. It's all right. So then we have our 4c, we have 40c, and we have our 15. Well, then she just said, oh, okay, well, 40c plus 4c is 44c. Let's subtract 15 from both sides. I get a 0. So I have 40c is equal to 0, and voila, c is equal to 0. Not too bad. All right, Roman, do you want to show how to get d now?
I'll pass.
You'll pass? Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, I would. Sawyer. No one, the viewers at home don't want to know that. Or Roman doesn't want the viewers at home to know that. One of the two. Yes.
So you have to divide each side by 44.
Yeah, so divide by 44, divide by 44. I've had enough, Roman. So 0 divided by 44 is 0. Okay. So we know that c is equal to 0. We know that c is equal to 0. So now what do we need to do in order to find what d is? Roman, do you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
All right, sure. Come on up.
Do I have to wear the microphone?
Well, you have two choices. Wear the microphone or have me sticking the microphone in your face, and that would be obnoxious.
Okay.
All right. It's amazing how the two choices are even to
Okay, so since Catherine found 0 for C, which is very nice of her, we have 4 and 0, because that's what C equals, plus 5D equals 15. Then that's just 0. Plus 5D, and then you need to, whatever D is, it needs to equal 15, and that's 3, so D equals 3, because 3 times 5 is 15, and that's what you have here.
So finally, what is the solution to our system of equations? Mia, what is our system, or what is our solution to our system of equations? I know you're paying attention, that's why I picked you.
Okay, wait, where are we right now?
We are nothing's worse than having to figure this out while being recorded and being caught not paying attention. So what is the solution to the system of equations? We have found what c is equal to. We have found what d is equal to.
No, 0 and 3.
0, comma 3. Okay, because the solution to a system of equations is where the two lines intersect, and they intersect at 0, comma 3. Yes, Sadie?
How do you decide which one's the x value?
Alphabetical order.
Oh,
All right. Are there questions so far?
Oh, that makes sense.
You almost look awake, Mr. Powell. Yes, Julia.
What the stuff to the right where the arrow is coming from? What is that?
So Roman found the correct answer. D is equal to 3. And then he checked his answer by saying 3 times 5, here's the 5, is equal to 15, which related to the value of the expression.
So you just divided everything by 5.
Yes,
Thank you.
that is exactly what he did. All right. This video is going to be super long.
yeah, with me as well.
So